You have watched the news, read an article on the internet, or maybe was going through the newspaper, or maybe you even heard it on the radio. Bullying. It's not something that people put much thought into unless they have children of school age. For those of us who have children that are of school age, we always have it in the back of our minds. The definition of a bully is when a person is picked over and over again by an individual or a group with more power, whether it be in physical strength or social standing. Bullying can start out as young as 2 years old, but mainly bullying takes place between 2nd and 4th grade and then again 6th to 8th grade. Bullying is not gender specific. It can be boys or girls. Bullies like to dominate others. They have poor social skills and poor judgment. Two main reasons for bullying are appearance or social status. The effects bullying has on a child can be severe. For some, it can be death, or it can be physical, emotional, or mental damage. Physical harm to the body can be kicking, pushing. The child might have bruises or scratches. Emotional can be a loss of appetite, scared of going to school, or they can't take compliments even by those who they are loved by, such as their parents or grandparents or close family members. Mentally, children who are bullied cannot concentrate. Their grades have gone down. They have headaches more than usual. The bully can also be affected, as well as the child that they are bullying. Studies show that 1 out of 4 bullies might have a criminal record by the time they reach the age of 30. They might lose friends. Some of their friends who used to be in their group might decide that bullying is not for them and they have moved on. So bullies at times can find themselves alone, which can cause the bullying to become more severe. Bullies can also get kicked out of school for incidents that have happened at school, such as harming someone or getting into trouble repeatedly. Parents can do something about bullying. Parent of a child being bullied can talk to the school staff. Maybe the staff can have a meeting with the counselor and the principal. You can ask the school if they've started Rachel's Challenge. It's a program that is for anti-bullying. The school can offer rewards for acts of kindness. For instance, my son goes to a school and for every act of kindness they do a ring. The school had enough rings for acts of kindness from each of the students that they was able to go around the schoolhouse. You can also teach your child how to defend themselves. Defending yourself does not have to be physical. The child can walk away, they can run, they can go tell a staff member. A lot of times children are scared to tell staff members due to the bully being more angry at them and bullying them even more. Parent of a bully can also seek help. If your child is a bully, you can take them to a psychologist and see if there are other reasons that are causing your child to be angry and mistreating others. Some bullies, parents find out that they might have a chemical imbalance or ADD or ADHD that could be leading them into this type of behavior. You can work at home with your child. You can reward them for acts of kindness at home. You can do activities where you can role play. You can show acts of kindness, and in return, they can compliment you and show acts of kindness. If they have siblings, you need to monitor them. Make sure that they are not bullying their sibling. Make sure you're teaching them to share and love. Also, if you have a child that is a bully, you can put them in groups that are outside of the school. You can find a church group. They can go to Sunday school. They can volunteer at animal shelters and homeless shelters. And volunteering at these types of facilities help them to realize that there are others out there who are a lot worse off than they are. And once they start doing kind acts for others, they learn how to treat others. You can also put them in a sports. Karate, taekwondo are types of martial arts that are to help children find their inner peace and to help them become disciplined. You can also put them in a sport such as soccer or basketball or baseball to get them into another community of kids and make them feel as if they are part of a team. So as you can see, there are many things that you can do for a child that is being bullied or a child that is a bully. Parents can get involved, staff members can get involved. Schools could post more anti-bullying posters on the walls, on the doors. You know, the no bullying, or, you know, how a bully looks. And the type of kids they pick on are cowards. You know, they believe them to be cowards or weak when really they're not. They could put up signs of showing how bullying affects other children, how it can make them sad and how it can hurt them. So I hope today that with my speech, everyone becomes more aware of the bullying that's going on in our schools and how both sides are affected and what the parents and the staff members can do.